The Department for Environment and Water has recently launched the Coorong Automated Dashboard, or CAD for short. It's a new, user-friendly online tool that puts water quality and management data from across the Coorong and Lower Lakes region in the hands of users in near real time. Water monitoring data is critical for maintaining the ecological character of the Coorong and Lower Lakes. The CAD features 8 dashboards showcasing data from across the region, including water level, salinity, velocity, and at certain locations, barrage release volumes and water temperature. The best news of all, this is a free resource for anyone to use. Just visit water.data.sa.gov.au and select the links on the left-hand side of the page. Alternatively, the site can also be accessed by visiting the Water Resource Optimisation page on the Healthy Coorong Healthy Basin website.